And welcome back to Consumer Update. Joining me this morning are Charles Scott and Kathryn Fenderson from the law firm of Scott and Fenderson. Good morning. Thanks for being with us today.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's start with you. What types of cases do you handle?
I do personal injury law, and so I handle automobile accidents, slip and fall cases, medical malpractice, nursing home neglect, and basically anything where someone's been hurt.
There's a lot of that going around too, right?
Yes.
Your firm is small but mighty. You have a lot of different innovations as far as technology goes. Can you tell us about that?
Right. We have a website at www.scottandfenderson.com where people can get on and learn more about personal injury or DUI or criminal law or family law and just get more information. And then if they decide they're interested in our firm, they can then call us.
Okay. How important is client confidentiality?
It's very important, and that goes without saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Charles, what do you think?
Oh, well, you know,
I know that you handle that on your website as well, which is pretty good, yeah.
Well, you mentioned before that we're a fairly high-tech firm, and we are. For a small firm, we have all the latest electronic research available to us. Our firm is totally computerized. Like you say, we do have the website. And as you mentioned with regard to confidentiality, that's one of our primary concerns. And all attorneys are going to be concerned with that. And we maintain a very confidential and secure office, and our clients get the utmost of attention from us.
Sure, and that's important, I know. Kathryn, how does your law firm differ from others? I know it's really competitive out there.
It is. What we try to do and what our philosophy is that we handle the cases personally. Each case is handled by the lawyer, not a paralegal or a legal assistant. And I think that is different from a lot of the larger firms. And I think that personal attention from the attorney can really help in the case.
Sure. What types of cases do make up personal injury?
Automobile accidents, trip and fall accidents, medical malpractice, nursing home neglect, and wrongful death.
Charles, how has a firm grown in the past?
Well, we started out, it was just Kathryn and I, and since then we've hired 3 legal assistants to assist us, so now there's 5 of us. We've expanded our practice. I recently have become a certified mediator, so I offer mediation services in both family and county court. We have always offered the wide range of services, which covers not only personal injury, which is Kathryn's primary area of practice, but we handle criminal, divorce, DUI, and we also offer a variety of corporate representation, wills, and just a variety of services. So anyone that comes to our firm can find we offer pretty much a full-service firm, even though we're just a small firm.
Speaking of wills, I know my mother wants to revise her. I hope I'm still in it. Why has it been important to have a lawyer when you are dealing with wills?
Well, the law is constantly changing, and you want to make sure that your will covers all the current requirements by law to make it a valid will.
Okay, Kathryn, personal injury can be very confusing. I had a neighbor that was in an accident, a really bad car accident, and they got the first attorney without interviewing anybody that they could find, and they were not happy with the results. Are a lot of these cases settled out of court, or how does that work? I mean, should you be interviewing people?
When you're choosing an attorney, one way that I would recommend to choose an attorney is to maybe ask your friends, have you had a personal injury attorney? How did you feel about that attorney? Did they give you personal service? Another way to choose an attorney is to ask other professionals that you know, either your banker or your doctor or someone else that may know who are good attorneys. So I would go on referrals.
Okay. Now, tell us about your background. I know you both went to Stetson. Is that where you met?
No, actually,
we didn't.
Oh, okay.
We didn't, but we did both go to Stetson.
That's good. And you've been in Florida for a while then, right?
Well, I was born here.
Okay.
I'm one of the few native Floridians.
All right.
Actually, my family was from here as well. My mother was born here in St. Pete.
Okay, that's important to you know your way around. You know the people and the places.
Sure.
We do have to take a short break, but coming up next, more about how you can select the right attorney for you. Stay tuned for more right here on Consumer Update.